When the school administration mentioned the idea that they wanted to prepare some extra space for our students to receive support on different topics, I thought it might be a good idea to create workshop style of sessions where our students could jump into the lab. We divided our workshop sessions into 4 topics. Color grading and color correction was the one that we focused the most because we wanted to teach our students how to use state-of-the-art equipment like our Blackmagic design mini panels for color grading and color correction. We also did some sessions on After Effects, so how to perfect certain techniques in motion graphic and animations, advanced techniques using expressions, etc., to push them forward. So they already had a lot of basic knowledge of these softwares and these techniques from their courses, but we wanted to push them forward. We also did a few sessions on portfolio, so it's mandatory, everyone knows that in this industry. And it's important for our students to, since the beginning, to start thinking about that. And finally, we did a session on digital cinema mastering. And it wasn't just a theory. For the first time in the history of our institution, students got the practical experience as well. So they created their own DCPs that could be played anywhere in the world, and they were highly satisfied about it.